You've done plenty of showings at this point in time, and now you're making offers. You're starting to get your reps in. Before you really want to make that first offer though, what's really important is to actually understand the contract that you're working with. And what that entails is doing a mock offer presentation. Here in Wisconsin, we've got an offer packet that's essentially 10 pages just to start, plus additional addendums, adding on your pre-approval letter, and every now and then you have additional things that pop on like occupancy addendums. So understanding all the paperwork that might come into play when you make your offer is super important. What this allows you to really move forward with is acting with confidence in a very quick manner. When that perfect home hops on the market, you want to be able to go do that showing and get ready to write an offer that night and understand what is actually happening in your offer. The big things that make up your offer is your purchase price, when you want to close, but also your contingencies. The biggest ones being inspection, appraisal, and financing contingency. These are places where we have a lever and can make your offer stronger, whether it's with a price or softening those contingencies by letting the seller know you're serious, you're not gonna nickel dime them to death on the inspection contingency, and a whole bunch of other options as well. This is where we're really gonna be looking for win-win situations with the seller that are gonna allow you to get that accepted offer. A great example is the occupancy that I mentioned before. In this hot market, the sellers are gonna want some flexibility if they're gonna be looking for their purchase as well. So these are all different pieces that are gonna help you make a strong offer and get it accepted.